Alright, tech enthusiasts, buckle up. Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the closed doors of Samsung's software development? Well, today, we're cracking them open. We're talking One UI 7.0, the next big thing coming to your Samsung Galaxy phone. But here's the real question. Will it breathe new life into your aging device, or will it leave you feeling like you're stuck in the stone age of smartphones? Let's find out. First things first, let's talk aesthetics. One UI 7.0 is bringing a visual refresh. We're talking redesigned icons. Hopefully, they're not too different. Nobody likes change just for change's sake, right? New widgets and revamped lock screen customizations. Think of it as a facelift for your phone. And Samsung is streamlining the camera app and introducing a new carousel app switcher. The goal? A smoother, more intuitive user experience. But will it actually make a difference in your day-to-day life? We'll see. Early reports look good. Think less clutter, more focus. Samsung's really aiming for that premium feel, even on older models. The question is, will the performance keep up with the looks? Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, AI. Samsung is doubling down on artificial intelligence. Features like Circle to Search, that cool trick where you can just circle anything on your screen to Google it, are likely coming to older phones. That's a win for everyone. But the real game changer is features like Now Brief, which delivers personalized summaries of news and information. Here's the catch. Some of these AI features require powerful NPUs, or neural processing units. That means they might not be available on older devices. This is where things get tricky. How do you balance innovation with accessibility? It's a tough question, and one that Samsung is clearly grappling with. Are you excited about AI features coming to your phone? Let me know in the comments. Speaking of tough questions, we're getting a rare glimpse into Samsung's development process, thanks to insights from Sally, their software chief. It's like getting a backstage pass to the smartphone show. Sally's insights provide transparency into Samsung's feature prioritization. This is huge. We get to see why they're making the decisions they're making. It gives us a better understanding of their goals, and it's a great way for Samsung to build trust with their user base. What kind of things would you like to know about the software development process? Tell us in the comments. Security is paramount, and Samsung is partnering with Google to enhance data protection, both on your device and in the cloud. This is crucial in today's world. We're constantly hearing about data breaches and privacy violations. Knowing that Samsung and Google are working together to protect your data is definitely reassuring. But the responsibility doesn't just lie with them. We, as users, also need to be vigilant about our online activity. Remember to use strong passwords, be careful about what you click on, and keep your software up to date. Your data is valuable, protected. What are your biggest concerns about data security? What steps do you take to protect your privacy online? Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Galaxy S25. Samsung is dangling some seriously tempting trade-in deals, potentially up to $1,020 off. That's a lot of money. But here's the thing. Are these deals too good to be true? Is Samsung trying to push us to upgrade even if we don't really need to? It's a classic marketing tactic, but it can feel a little manipulative. On the other hand, if you're already planning on upgrading, it's a great opportunity to save some cash. The question is, are you willing to part with your current phone? And what happens to all those old phones? Are they being recycled responsibly? These are important questions to consider. What are your thoughts on trade-in programs? Do you think they're a good deal, or just a way for companies to make more money? Let's address the elephant in the room, the feature gap between older and newer phones. While some AI features, like Circle to Search, will trickle down, others, like Now Brief, are likely to be exclusive to the latest and greatest hardware. This creates a sense of being left behind for users with older devices. It's a delicate balancing act. Samsung needs to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, but they also need to support their existing user base. The key is transparency. Samsung needs to be clear about which features are available on which devices and why. Otherwise, users will feel frustrated and cheated. Do you think it's fair for companies to limit features to newer devices? Or should they strive to bring all features to all devices, regardless of hardware limitations? Now for something a little more concerning. Buried within the information is a snippet about a security service blocking user actions on Samsung's website. The message? Attention required. This is a red flag. It suggests that Samsung's website may be vulnerable to cyber attacks. This could lead to data breaches, website downtime, and other serious problems. Samsung needs to address this issue immediately. The security of their website is crucial for protecting user data and maintaining trust. It's a stark reminder that even the biggest tech companies are not immune to cyber threats. Have you ever experienced a security issue on a website? What steps did you take to resolve it? Finally, let's talk about ethics. Limiting AI features to newer devices can be seen as a form of planned obsolescence, encouraging users to upgrade even if their existing phones are perfectly functional. This contributes to e-waste and environmental concerns. It's a constant tension between innovation and sustainability. Furthermore, the increasing reliance on AI raises concerns about data privacy. How is Samsung collecting, using, and protecting our data? Are we giving up too much privacy for the convenience of AI-powered features? These are important questions that we all need to be asking. What are your ethical concerns about the increasing use of AI in our lives? How can we ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically? So, what's the verdict on One UI 7.0? It's a mixed bag. There's a lot to be excited about, from the visual overhaul to the AI-powered features. But there are also some potential pitfalls, like feature fragmentation and the website security alert. Ultimately, the success of One UI 7.0 will depend on how well Samsung addresses these challenges. They need to be transparent, they need to be ethical, and they need to put the user first. Only then can they deliver a truly exceptional experience. Will One UI 7.0 be a game-changer for Samsung? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the future of mobile technology is going to be very interesting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and analysis.